promoting in cultural habits and knowledge and skills, which will then lead us into global citizenship. Can we continue with that? So, because of that, we have to think of the proper way now we can integrate this language, as you are saying, to empower students' acquisition of knowledge and skills, not only in English, but also in other subjects. How best can that be done? If I ask you a question, how many of you here are ready from the morning to now? They are convinced someone that they may use as language in their classrooms. Raise your hands. How many think that translanguaging is quite inevitable now, and therefore we must start implementing it in the classroom? Raise your hands. It's not necessary that you should be convinced. It's not necessary. Okay, let me give you just an example, and then you will tell me whether that can work or not. Suppose I'm teaching a poem. Suppose I'm teaching a poem. I'm teaching maybe the teachers will prepare to pass. Because at the end of the day, I want them to develop competence of creating poems which sound, which can send a message, which is attractive to audience. And now I start by introducing the topic, poem. I describe the features, and then I give examples of scenarios which students can use to create poems. For example, I give an example of democracy, create a poem describing democracy in Tanzania. Then I describe, I clarify the said by using Kiswahili, so that those who don't understand what they were saying can also get the concept. And then I give an assignment to students where I allow them to discuss in multiple languages, using local, Kiswahili, and other languages. And then I ask them, what are they discussing? Probably after describing my example in democracy, now I tell them to describe or to construct